nice thing about these leads I made, because of those clips that I had on the end, so what I did, I have these terminal clamps, and then because of the connects that I had on the furnace, because the red and the yellow connect to red and yellow inside, but I had these plug clips on them, so on the end of my jumpers I just put the opposite end of the plug clips, so I can use them as banana clips, and they plug into the like alligators and anything that has the banana plug end. So yeah. Plus, okay, so here's the old one. I got the power hooked up to the motor. Nothing else like crazy. Basically, this is just a power test to see if the motor works. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. Wow, this is difficult. Okay. Oh. Ready? Holy shit, that sounds so good. And it totally pushed the sail switch all the way up. Oh, wow. So, yeah, I'm going to pull that motor out of the old one and swap it with the motor from the new one. And hopefully that should solve the problem. That sounded really good. That was awesome. Yeah, we may have it. Holy shit, that sounds so good.